Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I am pretty excited for this video because I'm going to be playing with two palettes that I have not played with in quite a while, and that would be the Blush Tribe Sonia Zarin palette, which is more of a really beautiful kind of neutral with pops of warm tones and greens palette. I love this one so much, and I don't think I ever used it on camera before today, so I wanted to incorporate that in this look. And then I also used the Blush Tribe Fall Fusion palette, another one that I feel like I never gave enough love. This one is a fall themed palette, and it also has some really pretty pops of color. So I did this look with both of these palettes, and this video is actually a group collaboration. There's a ton of people doing this, so I'll have everyone linked down below, but this is basically like a going away, an online going away party for Blush Tribe, which if you're not familiar with Blush Tribe, they are a small indie brand based in the UK, and unfortunately they are shutting down. So this is like the last hurrah, even though I actually did a video last month when I found out they were shutting down where I ranked all my Blush Tribe palettes, so I can link that down below in case you're interested. But today we're doing a look, so it's a bit different, and if you want to see a bunch of Blush Tribe tutorials, like I said, definitely make sure to check out my description box, and let's just go ahead and jump on into how I got this look. Okay, so starting off with the Fall Fusion palette, I'm going to grab this shade right here, which is called Fire Pit. It's like this mustardy orange, and I think it'll be really pretty through the crease. Also, I did already prime my eyes with the Anastasia eye primer, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that shade down all the way through my crease. Just start blending it out. And then I'm just going to build it up a little bit because I do want this to be a pretty vibrant look. Okay, grabbing the Sonia Zarin palette, I'm going to start off with this orange right here, which is called Sardar. And I'm going to put that just a little bit lower down in the crease for some more depth. Okay, so now I'm going to take this shade right here, which is a deep green called Halima. And I'm going to pop that shade on my outer V to start deepening up this look. I don't know how this is going to go, but I was just really inspired to do some greens and some warm tones. Okay, so now that I have that color placed down, I'm just going to kind of wipe off that same brush. And I'm going into a bit more of Sardar, and I'm just going to put it through my crease really lightly. And then just very gently blending between the orange and the green. And then just going in with my first brush over the edge. I'm also grabbing Halima with a pencil brush and just popping that on my lower lash line. I think I'm actually going to dip just a little bit into this blue right here called Midnight. And I'm going to pop it on the middle of my lower lash line and just feathering it out. Alright, now I'm going to take this light metallic green right here, which is called Sabrina. And I'm going to pop that on the outer half of my lid. Just blending it into the matte green. It's such a pretty foiled kind of silvery green. Alright, now I'm going to take this gold right here, which is called Candlelight. And I'm going to pop that on the front half of the lid. Okay, so now for the most fun part, I'm going to go ahead and take this neon-y yellow right here called Aspen. And I'm going to pop that on my inner corner. I'm going to start off with a fluffy brush just to kind of blend it out a little bit. Alright, now I'm taking that shade on my pencil brush and packing that onto the inner corner and then also bringing it into the lower lash line. Okay, last but not least for the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here called Shazia and highlight underneath my brow bone. And then just so that's not too harsh, I'm going to go over the edge with my fluffy brush. Alright, really quickly off camera, I'm going to go ahead and add my Linda Hallberg Cool Mood pencil, which I think a pop of blue is going to look really pretty with this, and then some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, for highlighter today, I'm going to use my Ofra Cosmetics Glazed Donut, just because I am feeling a very blinding glow to go along with this look. Okay, for lips today, I'm going to use my Lethal Cosmetics Lip Gloss in the shade Nova. Alright, also that is everything for this look. I really love how it turned out. I feel like it is such a fun, interesting eye look, and I don't think I've ever done anything quite like this. It almost gives me subculture vibes a little bit, and I do really love that pop of blue on the lower lash line. I feel like it adds a lot of contrast and a little bit of extra dimension to the look. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have not subscribed already to my channel, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button before you go, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!